Hi everybody, let's learn how to play this thing. My recommendation for you is to see what happens and just roll with it. We're not going to worry about playing any one specific note, we're just going to try and play a note. And then we're going to try and figure out how to change notes, because that's going to be the most helpful way to kind of get used to the horn, and we can work with that. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure you've got some air, okay? Just take a nice deep breath in and out. And if you're not sure what a deep breath is, I'll tell you this. Give yourself a big hug. Wrap yourself around. Take a breath in and out, and you'll feel it even in your back and your front. And that'll be a nice big breath. Or try and get rid of all of your air right now. Keep going. Blow out all your air. Then when you breathe in, that's a deep breath. That's what you need for French horn. This thing, 16 feet long, which is a lot longer than you and I. So we're gonna need all the air we can get. Okay, now to make sound in this thing, we need to buzz our lips. So pretend you're blowing bubbles in the bath. Go. Give it a try. Good, that's all we're doing for French horn. The hole and the area that's blowing bubbles is a little bit smaller, the size of that mouthpiece, but it's pretty much the same thing. You can even try it. You might be able to get a buzz, you might not, just without the mouthpiece, but that kind of blowing bubbles. Just go and see if you can get a smaller buzz. All right, now we need to combine the air and the buzz. So when we have the mouthpiece, this bad boy, all we need to do is we need to blow air through the mouthpieces. And just like when we were blowing bubbles, our lips basically have to come together to create the buzz. If our lips are too far apart, they can't make a sound. But when they hit each other and start vibrating against each other, that's when you get the buzz. So we're gonna try this. Take your mouthpiece, take a big breath, blow into the mouthpiece, and start closing your lips. The buzz will happen. It might sound airy, it might sound lower, it might sound higher. Doesn't really matter. Give it a try again. Awesome. And I'm only holding it with a couple fingers at the bottom so I don't jam it into my face. If we're pressing too hard, then we're not going to be able to let our lips buzz, and it's going to be harder to make a sound. Our lips have to buzz to make a sound in this thing. Playing the French horn, now all you need to do is blow out and close your lips again, and you're going to get a